a pistachio.
Yeah, you want to earn a pistachio? Throw bottle. Can you throw bottle? Good. All right, one more, you get a pistachio. Touch Wario. Yes, good job. Touch Wario. You got the bottle. You drop bottle. Throw bottle.
Not a bottle. It's a bottle.
Yeah, you want the bottle? There you go.
It's a bottle.
Yeah, you want the bottle? There you go.
Trouble.
Touch the metal bowl. Yes, good job. All right, one more, you get a snack. Can you do Big Bird? Good. There's a snack.
Truck. Lap. Alright, a snack.
Touch the sock. Apollo, can you touch sock? No, that's the bowl. Yes, that's a ball. One more, you get a snack. Touch Wario.
Right.
Touch Wario. No, that's Shrek. Touch Wario. That's Cork. Touch Wario. This is Wario. Touch Wario. Yes, good job. This is Shrek. This is Shrek.
Wario.
No, this is Wario.
Rock.
This is Shrek.
Truck.
Shrek. Can you say Shrek?
Truck.
It's close. Can you say it better? Shrek.
Rock.
Shrek.
It's a bottle.
Touch Shrek.
Right.
Shrek. Yes, that's Shrek. Good job.
It's a bird outside.
A bird outside. Do you see a bird? A jaybird? I believe it. Oh, what's in the bush? Is that it?
It's a bird.
What's this called?
Oh.
What's this called?
Oh.
Bowl.
It's a ball.
It's a bowl.
Ball.
Why do you think that's a ball? I guess I kind of get it. What's this?
Oh.
Yes, that's a bowl. So you insist this is a ball.
Block.
It's definitely not a block. I see how that is kind of ball-like. Throw. Throw bottle. Oh. You drop bowl.
Alright, pistachio.
I'll give you a pistachio if you get bottle. That's the book. Yeah, that's the book. Get the bottle. Yes, that's the bottle. Good job, Apollo. Can you throw bottle? Apollo, throw bottle. Good.
Bottle.
That's the bowl.
Pistachio.
Oh, pistachio. What's this called?
Ball.
No, this is bowl.
Oh.
What's this called?
It's a book.
Yes, book. What's the book made of? Yes, made of paper. Alright, Apollo. Hat. Apollo, come here. Good. What's this called?
Rock.
No, this is a bottle.
Bottle.
What's this made of? Yeah, it's made of paper.
Or pistachio.
You want to earn a snack, Soleil? Soleil, spin. Soleil, spin. Good. Ophelia, come here. Good. Shake. Good shake.
Shake. Shake.
Shake. Can you touch bottle? That's Soleil. Touch bottle. Yes, good. One more, you get a snack. You gotta throw bottle. Throw bottle. Good. Good throw bottle. Sorry, Soleil. He is insisting these are balls. Obviously, I think they're small bowls, but he was actually insisting, and I confirmed he could say bowl comfortably, but he was like actually insisting those are balls, which I kind of get. It's like half a ball. It throws like a ball. Sometimes they bounce and roll like a ball, kind of. Why is he insisting that's a ball? Like, what is making him insist that's a ball? He was being cheeky and everything, grabbing it, being like ball. I was like bowl. He's like ball. Okay, you gotta do two things. You get a pistachio. Touch the red block. Yes, good job. All right, one more thing. Touch the ball. Touch the ball. No. Oh, yep. Good. I forgot. I think these are balls. What makes it a ball? Why is this a ball? I get it. I really do. A bowl is like almost definitionally half of a ball.
I love the snack. Ball.
There's a snack. Who's gonna get it? There's a ball over there with a pistache.
Or the snack.
Oh, look.
Sure.
Oh. Oh, well, now I have to redo it.
Or the snack.
Oh. Oh. You were too slow. Ophelia got it.
Oh.
That's the bowl, yes.
Or the snack.
Touch ball. No, that's the book. Touch the block. Yes, good job. Touch block. Here's a snack.
Or the snack.
What, you want another pistachio? You throw ball. Good. All right, one more. You get pistachio. Touch bowl. Good boy. Here's a snack.